Tasks here, paperworks there, workloads everywhere. Tons of paper casually pile up on your desk, becoming harder to keep track of. Stress accumulates as these papers fill up your head, just like how it fills your desk. Have you ever just thought of doing all your assignments in one platform? Or providing learning materials for tour students without having to consider other factors?
Then, Quipper is here for you. Quipper is an advantageous application that sets the highest standard for learning.
Teachers, parents, and students alike, Quipper is for everybody. Let me tell you how the Quipper app works. Come and explore with me how to navigate this website or app.
The first thing you will see when you click on this app are buttons that will require you to create your own account with your own password. After that, the app will automatically bring you to the home page, where you can see 4 different tabs. It contains the course list, where you can see all your courses with the class codes given to you. You can also bookmark them. Another one is To-Dos, where all your assignments or study guides from different subjects can be seen. This tab allows one topic to have a deadline, so this tab created an active to-do, which means ongoing. An overdue, which means the task you didn't finish before the deadline. And a completed, where all your finished works can be seen. The third is the messages, where you can freely ask for your concerns and be updated on any announcements. The last one is account, where you can see all the information about your account, including all your classes. You can edit your account and code another available class. On this tab, you can also see the logout tab, where you can log out your account in the meantime.
What are you waiting for? Think, explore, and join us to learn something new with Quipper.
As a student, having tasks that can assess my knowledge in a certain topic and make them enhance my learnings, Quipper does that. It provides students tasks that created by the teachers themselves. Not only does it enhance what I learned, but it also gives me knowledge on what do I need to know on that topic. Quipper also allows teachers to post topics which will be discussed, which allows students to study ahead of time.
Enhancing the learning references, dissemination and application of them is easier than ever.
Learning easily doesn't become a stretch anymore for me.
It's learning made easier. It's the best with Quipper.